Hello everyone. Welcome to the first problem on inventory valuation. So this is a part of the playlist on inventory valuation, and just I explained the introduction. There are three different models of problems in inventory valuation, and the first model is lower of cost or market, LCM. So on this concept, let me solve one or two problems. Okay, so first problem that we'll solve is this one. So it is simple. There is a Blackman Appliance Center accumulates the following cost and net realizable. This is and actually. So this is and realizable value data at December 31st. So compute the lower of the cost or net realizable value valuation of the company's total inventory. See, the inventory is divided into three types. One is cameras, other is camcorders, and other is Blu-ray players. Now, when the company purchased these cameras as inventory, the cost was £12,000. But now the market value has become £12,100. Good. Whereas camcorders, when they purchased, the cost was 9420, but then due to some reason, the camcorder's cost has reduced in the market, and now it is only worth 9200. Similarly, Blu-ray players cost also it reduced. So what now? If I ask a question, what is the value of the inventory? Will you take the cost data or will you take the market value? So the concept is lower of the cost or net realizable value or lower of the cost of market value. So I will be taking the lower. Okay, so here let me write here. So inventory. So here the lower is 12,000. Here the lower value. So this is the lower value here, and this is the lower value here, 9,200. And here this is the lower value. So in all three cases you take the lower value and then you add the total. Okay, so what is the total? So let's just get the calculator. So 12,000 plus 9,200 plus 12,800. So I'm getting 34,000 as the net valuation of the inventory. So this amount 34,000 will be entered into the balance sheet of the company to show as the value of the inventory. Now if I take only this sum, total will be different. If I take only this sum, the total will be different. So the idea is to take the lower cost. Now the question comes, why we should take lower cost? We will take the lower cost because if I show higher value of assets, that means I am showing higher growth in the company. But that may not be true. The actual true value in the market or actual cost data, whichever is low, that is what you have to show to be conservative. So this is called the principle of conservatism, so that you can do that. So that's it. This is a simple answer. So whenever you get the data, you just have to do this kind of calculation. So this is about inventory valuation using LCM, lower cost. This is the LCM method. Okay. So again, thanks for watching this video. So these are the three methods of inventory valuation. Right now we are discussing problem on LCM. Let's solve one more problem on LCM because this was a quick one. I will show you one more problem and then we will go to that. Okay, so this is the another problem. Okay. So again, you can pause the camera, pause the video, and you can try to find the lower cost here, and we can do that. So now the Berg camera shop uses the lower of cost or market basis for inventory. The following data is available. So cameras, there are two different types of cameras and two different types of light meters. The units are given, the cost is given, and the market value is given. So now you need to find what is the value of the inventory. So what amount should be reported on the Berg camera shop's financial statement, assuming the lower cost of market rule applied. Okay, so let's solve this. Okay, so let me keep it this way. See, now the units anyway is there, so we have to just see which one is the lower one, and then we have to use that. Okay, so here the lower one is 158, so 5 into 158. Here the lower one is 145, so 7 into 145. So this is about cameras. And then here the lower cost is 114. The market value is lower, so take that. So 12 into 114. And then here the lower value is 10. So you take 10 into, I'm sorry, not 10. The 120 is the lower value. So 10 into 1. 10 is, this units is same for all. So just you have to take the cost here. So here this is lower, here this is lower, here 145 is lower, and here 158 is lower. So you have taken the lower values. So now let us calculate this. So 5 into 158. So I am getting 790. 7 into 145. I am getting 1015. Okay, so 12 into 114. I am getting 1368, and finally this will be 1200. Now I have to add them. So 790 plus 1015 plus 1368 plus 1200. So I am getting 4373 as the market valuation. This is in dollars. Okay. So this is the final answer for this particular problem. Okay. So we have seen this is one way to do the inventory valuation. So two problems I will show on the screen. So you can just for your reference you can refer them. So see, I can choose more problems on this, but then you can search on online example problems for LCM method or lower of cost or market value method. You will find a lot of problems online. You just try some problems and practice it. But now I would like to conclude this concept, that is lower of the cost, this concept. So next we will go into the another concept, that is determining the ending inventory. Okay, so what is the on this we will try to solve 2-3 problems because this one is very simple. You just take the lower value. Okay. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and refer this to your friends. See you in the next video, where we will be talking about the ending inventory. Thank you.